Fix Tailwind CSS IntelliSense for the CDN setup. Step 1. Go to tailwindcss.com. Click the Docs button, then choose Play CDN. Copy the script element with Tailwind CSS. This lets you use Tailwind directly in your HTML file. Step 2. Paste the CDN that we copied from Tailwind CSS into the head section of your HTML file. Step 3. We need to navigate to extensions and search for Tailwind CSS IntelliSense by Tailwind Labs. Install and enable this extension. Next, create a tailwind.config.js file. This will let vscode know that we are using Tailwind inside of this project and will ensure the extension works. For more in-depth Tailwind tutorials, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.